أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم ورحمة الله كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed 1445 New Year greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School, Al Saada Towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and SAMS Aligarh Muslim University Tesla Gigafactory campus towns in all countries of our world. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of $80 of SAMS TQLMA Club group companies and earn a benchmark ROI of 21+% and enroll in 5,300 PGCs Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction to build their home in SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School, Al Saada Towers, in their university campus. So welcome aboard and pass on this message to everyone, and everyone can participate in the program, whether you have $80 or not, because if you do not have $80, we will provide you Solomon Foundation will provide you with Qardan Hasana to engage in this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. सारे मुसलमान भाइयों बहनों बच्चों को 1445 हिजरी का नया साल मुबारक मुहन्ना हो। जो खुश नसीब हजरात जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में, मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा में, बैतुल मक़दिस में, करबला मुअल्ला में, नजफ़ुल अशरफ में मुकीम हैं, हमारे हक़ में ख़ास दुआ करें कि हम अपने ये सैम्स व्हील ऑफ लाइफ फार्म स्कूल अल सादा टावर्स इन मुक़द्दस मकामात पर भी बनाएं ताकि ज़ुवार किराम की और हुज्जाज किराम की बेहतरीन खिदमत की जा सके। हम सबको दावत देते हैं, सारे मुसलमानों को दावत देते हैं कि एक शेयर SAMS TQLMA Club ग्रुप कंपनीज का ज़रूर ख़रीदें और रिस्क हलाल कमाएं और 5,300 PGCs के ग्लोबल एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA इन क्लाइमेट स्मार्ट तैयब तिजारत विद ट्रैक्शन के प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करें और हज की सआदत के साथ साथ प्री स्कूल से PhD तक की तालीम और रिस्क हलाल हासिल करें। My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education from St. Paul's English High School, did high school from Pakistan Ship Honors College, bachelor's in chemical engineering from Dore University of Engineering and Technology, master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started at Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA student converted Total Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA, and today TQLMA Private Limited has been enhanced to SAMS TQLMA Club, which we are incorporating in all countries of our world. And we are also incorporating it in the state of SCNRFP to enjoy benchmark incentives and provide optimum profits to SAMS TQLMA Club members. My WhatsApp number is 92333228327. A session like this can be scheduled to solve your individual, family, and business problems. So welcome aboard, and let us make sure that all 8 billion residents of our planet enjoy total quality, inflation-free life. Our group is being represented by engineer Aziz Ahmed in Dubai. Migdad Jamali is representing the SAMS TQLMA Club in Karachi, and which is $1 million at Bay City. And Mrs. Fatima is representing our group in India to delight 2 billion mothers. So welcome aboard, and let us make 1445 Hijri a benchmark climate smart year for ourselves and for all our fellow residents of our planet. Shukran jazila. Thank you very much. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim wa rahmatullahi kama sallaita sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.